Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best rock tumbler is probably one of the most fascinating and educational toys you can get for your kids, offering a unique opportunity to explore the world of geology and gemology right from your own home, transforming rough, ordinary stones into beautifully polished treasures that spark curiosity and a love for science. This engaging activity not only keeps children entertained for hours but also teaches them patience, the scientific process of transformation, and the appreciation for natural beauty hidden within the Earth's crust, making it an ideal gift for aspiring young scientists and crafters alike. Number 5. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Hobby Edition. Transform ordinary rocks into dazzling gemstones with this easy-to-use kit. Its simple operation and durable design make polishing fun for everyone. Experience a tumbler designed for longevity with a durable motor. Its leak-proof barrel ensures quiet operation, making it a pleasure to use. Everything you need is included to start creating polished gemstones right away. It comes with various grits, gemstones, and a helpful learning guide. Enjoy effortless rock tumbling with simple instructions and one-touch settings. The automatic shut-off feature lets you set it and forget it. Discover an award-winning product that sparks education and creativity. We provide US support for a stellar experience. This kit is an excellent STEM activity, perfect for geology enthusiasts. It's a great way for kids and adults to learn and explore. What we like. If you're looking for a quiet and comprehensive rock tumbling experience, this is a great choice. It includes everything you need to get started, making it perfect for beginners and educational purposes. Choose this if you want a hassle-free introduction to the world of gem polishing. What people say. It does wonders for my unfinished beach glass. I only left those pieces in the tumbler for 10 to 12 hours, I believe, and they're perfect now. Amazing rock tumbler, turned rough stones into gorgeous polished gems. This tumbler is a total winner for beginners and hobbyists alike. It runs super quietly, barely noticeable even in the living room, stays cool during long cycles, and the barrel seals perfectly, no leaks or mess. The machine is very easy to use. The instruction book that's included provides simple directions for use and everything seemed to be labeled so that it was all quite easy to put together and use within minutes. Number 4. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026. Introducing the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2026, a revolutionary toy that brings the magic of flight right into your hands. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience. With its advanced AI chip and gyroscope, this hand-controlled drone offers intelligent flight capabilities. Experiment with different throws to create amazing boomerang effects and unique flight paths. Crafted from high-grade ABS material, it's lightweight yet incredibly durable, ready to withstand any adventure. The propellers are safely enclosed, ensuring worry-free fun for everyone. A quick 25-minute USB charge provides 8 to 10 minutes of exhilarating flight time. The LED indicator lets you know when it's time to power up for more excitement. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor play, this mini drone requires no special space. Enjoy smooth flights and the captivating boomerang effect in your backyard or living room. Looking for a unique gift? This hand-controlled marvel is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. It's a fantastic present for kids, teens, and adults alike. What we like. For those seeking a unique and interactive toy, this flying orb is a fantastic option. Its hand-controlled flight and boomerang effect offer endless entertainment for kids and adults alike. If you want a cool gadget that's easy to use anywhere and sparks curiosity about physics, this is the one. What people say. It has a flexible cage that prevents damaging, but it can knock over a glass. Fingers can't get inside, so it's kid-safe as well. The casing is fairly soft, compressible, so I wasn't really worried about them in the house. You can definitely just use it, albeit somewhat clumsily, right out of the box, but with very little practice you can get some simple tricks going. The LEDs are a huge plus because you can even play at night. Battery lasts reasonably long time, similar to a drone helicopter toy, however it does take some time to charge. The toy does turn off when it falls to the floor. That is actually how you turn it on, by shaking it as well. Number 3. National Geographic Starter Rock Tumbler Kit. Discover the fun and easy way to transform rough rocks into beautiful, polished gemstones. This starter kit is perfect for both kids and adults looking to explore a popular and engaging hobby. Enjoy continuous rock tumbling with its durable motor, capable of handling multiple batches. The improved, leak-proof barrel ensures quieter operation and a longer lifespan for your tumbler. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to get started. It includes rough rocks with 9 different gemstone types, jewelry fastenings, and a complete 4-stage polishing grit. Follow simple, step-by-step instructions to master the rock tumbling process. A colorful learning guide shares fascinating facts about gemstones and natural polishing methods. From an award-winning brand, this product is designed to inspire education, imagination, and creativity. You can count on excellent US support for a fantastic experience. What we like. This is an excellent option for those who want a reliable and user-friendly rock tumbler. Its durable construction and leak-proof design ensure a smooth and quiet operation. If you're looking for a starter kit that provides clear instructions and educational content for a fun hobby, this is a solid pick. What people say. It comes with everything you need to get started, no extra purchases necessary. The leak-proof design is a total win, too. It comes with everything you need, including cool rocks ready to tumble, although you'll probably need to restock the grinding powders if you're going to do multiple sets like we have. This tumbler is a total winner for beginners and hobbyists alike. It runs super quietly, barely noticeable even in the living room, stays cool during long cycles, and the barrel seals perfectly, no leaks or mess. Number 2. KomeStone K1 Professional Rock Tumbler. Discover the top-rated rock tumbler, trusted by thousands of families. It's recognized for its performance, safety, and value, making it a perfect gift for STEM-minded kids and creators. Enjoy peace of mind with our extended 90-day refund guarantee and a 1-year warranty. Our US-based customer service offers 24/7 support for hassle-free replacements or refunds. This tumbler is CPC certified and made from non-toxic, child-safe materials. It provides a fun and educational STEM learning experience with smooth edges and low-noise operation. Watch rough rocks transform into smooth gemstones through a real 4-stage tumbling process. It's a great lesson in patience for kids and offers polished stones for adult crafts. Experience enhanced tumbling with a built-in LCD screen, timer, variable speed controls, and a pause-resume function. The thickened barrel ensures durability and quieter operation. Its soft rubber barrel absorbs impact for significantly quieter operation, similar to a dishwasher. The large capacity polishes more rocks, ideal for families and hobbyists. This kit comes complete with everything you need to start tumbling right away. It includes the tumbler, rough rocks, polishing grits, and a full-color guidebook for easy use. What we like. If you're serious about rock tumbling or have a larger family project, this large capacity tumbler is ideal. Its advanced features like memory function and variable speeds offer more control for professional-level results. Choose this if you want a safe, feature-rich, and high-capacity option for extended tumbling sessions. What people say. It hums along, doing its thing, turning mundane rocks into mini works of art. The drum seems well designed with good durability, I have not had any leaks. It comes with a trial set of grits, spare belts, and an excellent user manual that explains not only the usage, but it also gives good hints for rock selections. Number 1. KoolStone C1 Rock Tumbler Kit. Embark on an exciting rock tumbling adventure with a brand trusted by thousands. This classic model offers reliable performance and convenient, all-in-one operation. Watch as rough rocks are transformed into beautifully polished gems with each cycle. It's a fun process that makes for a great family project. This updated tumbler features a large 2.5 lb barrel, perfect for polishing multiple stones at once. Its rubber barrel is also 75% quieter than typical plastic ones, making it ideal for any home. With adjustable speed controls and a 9-day timer featuring a memory function, you can easily achieve precise tumbling results. Expect smoother, shinier stones in just a few weeks. This kit provides everything necessary to create polished gemstones, including the tumbler, barrel, various polishing grits, and a helpful tutorial guide. Your purchase is protected by a 1-year warranty and a 90-day risk-free trial. Shop with confidence, knowing we're here to support your journey. Designed for durability, the replaceable drive belt ensures simple maintenance and extends the life of your tumbler, providing lasting enjoyment. What we like. For those who prioritize quiet operation and efficient polishing, this tumbler stands out. Its large capacity and advanced noise-canceling technology make it perfect for home use. If you're looking for a tumbler with precise controls, a memory function, and excellent results, this is a top contender. What people say. Works well, tumbles relatively quietly in the rubber drum. Easy to load-unload rocks for the various stages. Easy to set up the duration in days and speed required. Excellent instruction manual. Arrived with extra belts, some stones, grit, and ceramic. Barrel size is larger than my other tumbling barrels. Noise level isn't quiet, but it isn't outrageous either. It is compact, lightweight. Super easy to use, the instructions are clear and simple to follow. The machine is easy to use and pretty quiet for what it is, but I also have nothing to compare it with. It's small enough I'd take it camping with me as long as I've got an electric sight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.